In this clip, we are going to see how to access the timing assembly and the paper feed base roller. So as showing the picture, the timing sensor can be removed with a small special screwdriver because it's very tiny screws, and make sure the film is in between the sensors, and check the sensor direction as well, because while fixing it can fix both sides. So please make sure you fix the right direction. The connector should be towards up. So the moment you remove the sensor from the timing strip, then the next process is taking off the base roller from both the sides. Both the sides you will have the white notch which is get engaged in the main frame. So basically it has to be taken off from the base assembly. So normally the white latch sits or gets locks engaged with this with the base assembly. So pull towards and turn the directions clockwise and anti-clockwise respectively, so that the roller will be disengaged from the main frame. So as picture, towards left hand side we have taken off the assembly, and the right hand side we remove the lock as well. So now once if you want to take off the roll, the gear has to be removed. There is a C clip or circ clip, what we call it, has to be taken off gently. Then the center gear has to be removed, so that all other gears will be free to rotate, free to move. In this clip, to show you, I am not disturbing the timing strip, timing wheel I could say. So with the timing, normal as a procedure, you have to remove the timing wheel before you remove the center gear. But to show you, there is a way to remove, but while removing, make sure we don't damage the timing sensor wheel. So now the entire roller has come out because the both side lock removed and the gear support also disengaged, so that it can be easily taken off as shown in picture. So now also we should take off the base plate. That should be our next move once we remove the gear assembly. And before we take off the roll, make sure that locking mechanism, the position, all the stuff is mandatory, so that it can be fixed as it is. Okay, the roller has been removed. Then there is a base frame which helps the paper to feed and which helps the carriage assembly to move. Just remove a screw and this entire plate comes out. Again, as we could see, this is the last process of any printer. It doesn't require all the time you have to do this. So just since we open the machine, it would be good to see what are the other options and what are the other parts available. So I'm trying to remove the protected cover of the paper feed motor. So as you could see, if you want to access the paper motor, paper drive motor, paper feed motor, this is the way you have to open. So this is a motor, this is a gears assembly which you can take off. Okay. That's all about base assembly.